Your lawmakers, we know sometimes last year they all defected to the All Progressive Congress, and lawmakers loyal to you, and you're a minister serving under the federal government. Where do you belong to now?
What do you mean by they are loyal to me?
Lawmakers loyal to you.
Why are they loyal to me?
Most of them, you.
How? No, you see,
Most of them are proteges.
Proteges of who is not a protege of me?
Even the governor.
He is a protege of me, but he's not loyal. But these ones are protege and they are loyal.
You know what I'm saying?
No, I don't know. Tell me. You tell me. You say these are loyal to me. You say they are my protege. I said, okay, who is not your protege?
Okay.
He said my God. I said, fine. I said, okay. Is he loyal to me? He said, no. So these lawmakers are loyal. He's not loyal. They said they went to APC. I have no right to stop anybody. You know, one thing people will always say, oh, I'm aware. They went to, because they are loyal to me. Fine. But these are not loyal to me. When some people come to talk to me, beg your lawmakers now to do this. I said, do you want them to obey me? They say, yes. Fine. What of the other person? He should not obey me. He should assert his own right. He should assert independence.
I thought Mr. President has sorted it out.
But the lawmakers cannot assert independence. You know, we blow hot and cold. And that's why I say people are, you know, look, anybody who supports an ingrate is a natural and ungrateful person.
People feel that agreement is lopsided by not telling the lawmakers to return back to the PDP. Because every other thing was upturned.
How can President determine, tell me I should go back to a party? Or how can you, where has that happened?
People that resigned, they were brought back. People that, you know, the
For whose own interest? Do you know what they said? Withdraw impeachment. Do you know what that is? Who benefited from it all? Tell me the truth. Whose office was under threat? When you say these people have gone to another party, it's a matter of court interpretation. If you say I've left the party, it does not lie on you to say I've left the party, so you leave the seat. You need to challenge it in court. The speaker has to hit the gavel. It's not when you have interest, you don't want to look at the whole thing. As far as I'm concerned, the lawmakers have respected Mr. President. When that agreement was reached, it didn't take them 24 hours. They would do the impeachment notice. What is the point that you brought commissioners? Are they working?
Okay. Let me ask you.
I didn't know you were going into this kind of. Have you heard me? I'm busy.
Let me ask you a less
I'm busy with the metro line, how to achieve metro line. I'm busy with other projects.
Honorable
I'm
Minister,
very busy.
Honorable
I don't
Minister.
even talk about the.
Honorable Minister,
Now
let me
not
ask
time
you.
for politics.
Let me
Now
ask you a
time
less
for
complicated
governance.
question. Let me ask you a less complicated question.
Yes.
Which party?
I didn't tell you that it's complicated.
Okay. Which party do you belong to?
I'm a member of People's Democratic Party. Have you ever seen me change any day? You see, I don't know why this
And you are not interested in the elections in Edo, whether your party wins or not. The wicked that Nigerians know will always throw his heart
the one I did
in every
before,
political
the one I
rally.
supported before, what happened? The one I supported before, now what happened? So what happened?
But his company,
I have decided to.
where is seeking your
I have
support
decided
now?
to take a break.
From politics?
No,
Supporting.
it's not. Look, as you see me here now,
Focus on the
everybody carry a
Cross.
I'm just as I'm telling
You
you.
don't have the back to carry people.
You see, when people say this, I was in PDP, I didn't hide it. I came out. I said I'm not going to support your presidential candidate. Is it that I spoke in a way people did not understand? Is it that I acted in a way people did not understand? Even the deaf heard me, the deaf. You can hear when the deaf can hear you. What I said, the deaf heard. But if this is not done, I won't do this.
And the party is still
I
planning to
did it.
discipline you for that.
Discipline me for who?
Damago said so.
Who? That I did what?
That it
Who
was
violated?
that it was
Who
anti-party.
violated the party's constitution? Who violated? Who should be disciplined? I'm an advocate of the implementation of the constitution, and you breach it, and you want to discipline me. In the first place, can you not even say, in the first place, you should have thanked us, thanked Rivers. Did you understand me? Okay. Assuming we lost the governorship, would I be talking about Rivers State being a PDP state? Assuming we lost. Forget about these people who are gallivanting today, moving around, say that they can now serve master and serve boy. Now they are serving boy on the road now.
All right, Honorable Minister.
So leave all those things. And like I told you, now it's time for governance. Now it's time to do your own assignment. President are giving me an assignment. I'm busy to carry my own assignment. When the time for politics comes, then we'll know who is where, who is not where. Money is not everything. I was the Minister of State when I went to run for a governorship. Yes, I was. Did you not win?
Dates.